The demand for microchips and sensors is growing daily, but their production can still be time-consuming and cost-intensive. Using research-proven methods, Microprince intends to change that by setting the stage for microtransfer printing in mass production environments. So what is this microtransfer printing? Imagine a rubber stamp, but instead of ink on paper, you transfer a microscopic electronic circuit or filters for light sensors or even LED lights themselves to some other surface. This new technology enables alternative integration schemes like, for example, the packaging of photodetectors and light sources in photonic biosensors, or for active ambient lights for car interiors. Moreover, for mobile phones, it's necessary to coat a light sensor with a multi-layer thin optical filter. The way it's done now, 90% of the raw materials are discarded in the production process. It's easy to see that Microprince will bring a new level of efficiency to microchips by bridging the gap from research to production.